This is Kevin Bird, and today we are reporting live on Oscar Austin now. Oscar Austin, what's it like being on YouTube?
It's really nothing. You just do the video and it's done. You get a couple views, maybe a couple subscribers and stuff. But yeah. All of you think that Beaver Scouts is safe. Do you think Beaver Scouts is safe? Well, it's not. Even if you think it is. It's very deadly and safe. Like I said. Whew! You might need this grenade. Just in case anything happens. Because, whoo! Because those beavers, those real beavers, of course, can chop your fingers off in 2 seconds. So that's why you always gotta bring a grenade. Even this, if you saw this, a free boating license and the keys, just in case you get locked out of your cabin. Yeah. And of course a comb, just in case your hair gets a little messy. Yeah, you can do it. But yeah, otherwise, I like the part that you have to hunt for your own food and explore all by yourself and stuff. Yeah. You also get a partner too, but yeah, you also get a partner. I don't really have a partner.
Well, what happened to your buddy?
Oh, I accidentally inhaled him.
Oh.
I know, he smelled like jelly beans. But he smelled so good. I could just sniff him forever. And ever. I hadn't smelled jelly beans in a long, long time.
Alright, now it's Chuck the Puncher on.
Wait, no!
I said Chuck the Puncher! Okay, now, Chuck the Puncher. How do you get people to be strong like you?
Well, it's easy. You just lift a couple 100-pound weights, or 150-pound weights, and you'll be strong. Like this. Now, first step, drink lots of Gatorade, so you can be active and do lots of stuff. Second of all, don't sit around and watch TV. Eat chips instead. It's very healthy for you. Chips have potatoes in them. That's how you get strong like this. Now, you see, the potatoes, they give you muscle. So, now, if you want to have muscles like these, you gotta work hard. Barely even. It's easy to be strong. You just walk around and do nothing, lifting 150-pound weights. It's what I did, and punched lots of people. It's easy. Who cares if you break a jaw or something? It's gonna be the best thing you've ever done. Yeah!
Okay, so, you said eat lots of chips, so I'll try it. Nice way to be strong. So, bye!